Dates are a delicious and nutritious fruit. They are not only sweet and satisfying, but also packed with a variety of essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. They have been enjoyed for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations where they were a staple food and a symbol of prosperity. Dates grow on date palm trees, which thrive in hot, arid climates. These trees can produce fruit for decades, making them a valuable resource. They are popular in many cultures, often featured in traditional dishes and festive celebrations. Dates are considered a superfood due to their high nutrient density. They are rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. They are packed with essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium and vitamin B6, which support overall health. Dates provide many health benefits, including improved digestion, enhanced brain function and increased energy levels. They are a natural sweetener, making them a healthier alternative to refined sugars in various recipes. Dates have a rich caramel-like flavor that can enhance both sweet and savory dishes. They can be eaten fresh or dried, each offering a unique taste and texture. Dates are a versatile ingredient, perfect for adding a touch of sweetness to salads, smoothies, and baked goods. Dates are a healthy snack that can be enjoyed on the go, providing a quick energy boost. They can boost your energy levels, making them an excellent choice for athletes and active individuals. Dates are a great addition to your diet, offering a delicious way to enhance your meals and support your health. Dates are full of important nutrients. These nutrients keep our bodies healthy. Dates contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Dates are a good source of B vitamins. B vitamins help our bodies use energy. They also support brain function. Dates also provide potassium. Potassium is an important mineral. It helps control blood pressure. Dates contain iron too. Iron is crucial for red blood cell production. Dates offer a natural way to get these essential nutrients. Dates are a natural energy booster. They contain natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These sugars provide a quick source of energy, making dates an excellent snack for athletes and anyone needing a quick pick-me-up. Dates are perfect for a pre-workout snack. They help sustain energy levels during intense physical activities. Dates are rich in fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber helps us feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to overeat and aiding in weight management. This can aid in weight management. Dates support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Dates are beneficial for bone health. They contain essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals contribute to strong bones and teeth, helping to prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Regular consumption of dates can improve bone density and overall skeletal health. Eating dates regularly can improve bone density, which is crucial for maintaining mobility and quality of life as we age. This is important for overall health and well-being, making dates a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Dates are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into your daily diet in numerous delightful ways. They can be enjoyed in countless ways, from sweet to savory dishes, making them a perfect addition to any meal or snack. Add chopped dates to your breakfast oatmeal for a burst of natural sweetness and a chewy texture that complements the creaminess of the oats. Dates make a great addition to smoothies, providing not only sweetness but also a rich caramel-like flavor that enhances the overall taste. They add natural sweetness and creaminess, making your smoothie more satisfying and nutritious. Stuff dates with nut butter for a healthy snack that's both delicious and packed with protein and healthy fats. Dates can be used in baking to add natural sweetness and moisture to your favorite recipes. They add moisture and flavor to cookies and cakes, making your baked goods more flavorful and enjoyable. Make a delicious date paste by blending dates with water. This paste can be used in a variety of recipes. Date paste can be used as a natural sweetener in baking, cooking, or even as a spread on toast. It's a healthier alternative to sugar, providing essential nutrients and a rich, sweet flavor. Enjoy dates every day for their taste and nutrition. They're a versatile fruit that can enhance your meals and snacks in countless ways.